Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem with DHgate. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about DHgate. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of DHgate like this. And here you will update your app if you find update. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.